What's up, guys? Back with an update for the SCX24 axial crawler. I got a few parts. I'm gonna show you guys what I have. This part came from a company I found on eBay. Not eBay, I'm sorry. Facebook. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'll put a link in the description. MT Hobbies. I wanted some wheels, so I'm gonna show you what I ended up getting. Reached out to this guy, and he was very responsive. These are 3D printed wheels, which at some point I'm gonna get some 3D. I'm gonna get a 3D printer myself, so I can do my own. But I thought this was pretty cool. It's my first time seeing these. So with this particular company, you can pick and choose the style. You can also pick and choose the color that you want. Make sure I got all the parts out there. Tiny parts, tiny parts. I think I'm missing one. Alright. So this is the style beadlock wheel I went with. And they are actually a little bit wider than the stock wheels. And as of right now, guys, I don't have anything to take these wheels off with. If I do, I don't know. I hadn't had a chance to look at it. I've been real busy, so I hadn't had a chance to really get into this thing. But these are the wheels. Real deep offset. It's really deep in there. I'm assuming this is that's going to be the front. And then that's going to be the rear. So I wanted something to stick out a little bit farther than stock. And I see these. I'm assuming these are some type of adapters. This particular scale is all new to me. Like I tell you guys, I tell everybody, this is my first crawler. So I think these are maybe wheel cap, maybe. I don't know. I'm not gonna put these on tonight, but I did want to come to you and show you these. They're real good quality. I can tell. You know, it's not something he just threw together. These are beadlocks. And I also have, put this to the side, the wheel choices I went with. And I went with these, and I don't even know anything about these, but I went with I just know they look real good. These are the, I think Patgonia is what they're called. I'll put a link in the description for these also. They're by RC 4-wheel drive. The thread is pretty cool thread. I thought it was anyway. I don't know what it's going to look like when I put it on this wheel. I don't know if it's going to be, I'm assuming it's going to have a little stretch to it, which is kind of the look I was going for. But these are the things I bought for it. And I got one other thing. Well, two other things. I may have shown this because I don't like the stock radio at all. I'm running a DX5R, I think is what I'm running. But I got these receivers by Spectrum, which I'm going to switch this thing over. But I'm going to show you, and I don't know if it's going to work, so you guys will know when I know. I'm going to be switching out this ESC, combination ESC and receiver. Now I'm going to show you what I went with. I know this is going to be kind of weird. I'm probably not going to be doing as much crawling as everybody else. So this is what I went with. And I'm probably going to take it out of the case. This is a SC480X by Reedy. So it has a little size to it. I'm probably going to shorten these wires. I might even go in and desolder these wires and put a smaller gauge wire because I don't need that kind of power running through this. So I don't need anything that big. I know I'm definitely going to do something with these ends. And I might take it out of this case. I'm not sure. But it's not much larger than that. The only other thing I got to worry about is I got to figure out where I'm going to put the receiver. I don't know yet. Hadn't figured out. I don't know. I may be able to set it here. Maybe able to put it to the back. I don't know. I know this is going to throw the center of gravity off a little bit because it's not as low as this particular one. But I think once I take it out of the case, it'll work perfect. I'm probably take it out of there and shrink wrap it. I also have this motor. This is a motor by, I'll put the link in the description. I can't really remember, but it's RGT It's another vehicle that's this size that uses this motor, because from what I understand, the motor always go out, and the stock motor always goes out. So I went ahead and bought this motor. I've had this stuff for a while. I've driven this thing one time. I just hadn't had time to fool with it. But the stock motor, as you can see, that's the length of it. I don't know what I'm going to have to do to get it in here, but I'm going to figure that out later. When I come back with my new video, next video, I'll have the wheels on for sure if I don't do anything else. But, well, it may fit in there without having to cut anything. I'm not sure. We're going to figure it out. I know I got to flip the, well, not flip it. I have to, well, I think the wires, you have to flip the wires, and then you also have to drill new holes in the motor mount. And I think someone may make a motor mount for it also. I still hadn't decided. I don't think I'm going to go brushless right now, but that's something else I'll be doing pretty soon. But the next video, I have an update with the wheels on. So you guys stay tuned for that video. Thanks for watching.